Good morning, students. Today we will continue this topic complex numbers and quadratic equation. Today we will start the part 3, and in this part 3 very important part we will do, that is quadratic equation. And quadratic equation we already done in 9th class, 10th class. Okay, so there we all this completed. This is a quadratic equation. We know this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation, and here a should not equal to 0. If a is 0 means this is a linear equation. Okay, so here this is a quadratic equation. Now in 10th class we done this formula, and this formula is called a quadratic formula. This is x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula we done. And in 10th class if we get this b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that time we write there no real roots. But now we will have a complex number, so we will not write here this type that no real roots. Look here, in root if you have a negative value you will get here. So look at this b square minus 4ac, you will get negative, means minus you get anywhere. Okay, here you get negative, means root minus a you will get here. Then this root minus a you can write here iota root a. How we can write? Look at this minus you can write minus 1 into a, and this you can separate this root minus, we know already this is the iota, so you will understand this direct you have to write here. Okay, so we will do question, then you understand this problem. Look here question is solve 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Look here, this is a quadratic equation, and here you have to find out the value of ABC. Look here, a is here 2 and b is equal to 1 and c is all 1. Look here, this quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, in this formula you have to put the value. In this formula we put all these value, get b is 1, so you can put here 1 plus minus root b square means 1 square minus 4a is 2 you can put, c is 1, and upon 2a, a is here again 2 you will put. So look here, you get here minus 1 plus minus root 1 square is 1 and 4 to the 8 minus 8 upon 2 to the 4 you get. This you can write here x equal to minus 1 plus minus root minus 7 upon 4, and already I explained you that root and minus a, root minus a you can write iota a, this type you can write. So here you will write this minus as a iota. So minus 1 plus minus iota and root 7 upon 4, or you can write this minus 1 upon 4 plus minus iota root 7 upon 4. So here the solution you can write x equal to minus 1 upon 4 plus iota root 7 upon 4, or you can write minus 1 upon 4 minus iota root 7 upon 4. These are the answers. All of you understand these? Look here, all of you, you have to solve root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. Here you can check out this a equal to, you can write root 3, b equal to minus root 2, and c equal to 3 root 3 you can write here. Look at these all value you have to put in formula, x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now minus b is here minus root 2, okay, plus minus root b square means minus root 2 square minus 4a is here root 3, and c is here 3 root 3, okay, upon 2a, a is here root 3. Well, you understand this? Now you have to solve, minus and minus will be plus, so you have a root 2, and in root we have this will be minus square is plus, and root 2 square is 2 only, minus root 3 into root 3 is 3 3 are 9, 9 4 are 36 upon this you get 2 root 3. All you understand this? You will get here root 2 plus minus minus root 34 upon 2 root 3 we get. And look here, this minus you can write in form of iota. So this is root 2 plus minus iota root 34 upon, you can write here 2 root 3. This is your final answers. Okay, so you can write the answer is x equal to root 2 plus minus iota root 34 upon, you can write here 2 root 3. So this is the answer. Hope you understand this. Look here, this question, x square plus x upon root 2 and plus 1 equal to 0. This we have to solve. How we can solve? Look here, you have to understand, this is a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 upon root 2 and c equal to 1. You can write here. Now formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and minus b means here you can write 1 upon root 2 plus minus root b square means 1 upon root 2 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 1. Okay, upon 2a is here 1. So look at this, you have to solve. You will get here 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus minus, and this 1 upon root 2 square is 1 upon 2. This is minus 4. Okay, and upon you have here 2. This you will take LCM, so 1 upon root 2 plus minus, you take LCM is here 2, and you get here 1 minus 8 and whole upon 2. This you can write here minus 1 upon root 2 plus minus, you can write here minus 7 upon 2 and whole upon 2. Okay, this you can write here 1 upon 2, you can separate this type, you can write here, this is minus 1 upon root 2 and plus minus, you can write iota root 7 upon root 2, you can separate this, and this you can write 2 root 2 and minus 1 plus minus iota root 7. This is your solution. This is your answer, you can write. Look here all of you, if you are given this question x square plus 3 equal to 0, here we have two methods. One method is you can write here x square equal to minus 3. Okay, and this you can write here x square equal to minus 1. Look here, we know that iota square is minus 1, so place of this minus you can write here iota square and into 3. Okay, and x square you can write here, this is you can write here iota root 3 and plus minus square, you can write. All of understand this? This is a quadratic equation. We will get here two answers. Okay, plus or minus you can write. So x will be equal to plus minus iota root 3, you will get. This is the answer you get. And if you not want to do this method, we have one more method, that is a quadratic formula method. This you can write here x square plus 0x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to 3 we will get. You will write here x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, you can write here upon 2a, and here you put the value minus b means 0 plus minus root b square means again here 0 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 3 upon 2a, a is 1 here. So x is equal to, this is 0, we have plus minus, you have minus 12 upon 2 you will have. Now look here, this is plus minus 4 into 3, this iota you can write, and you can write here 4 into 3 is 12 upon 2. This 4 is outside, you get here iota 2 root 3 upon 2. 2 you can cancel, iota and root 3 you get. So x we get here, this is plus minus, already we have plus minus, so you get x equal to plus minus root 3. So both method you get the same answer, you can check. So you can use any method, you will solve. Look here, one more question you can check, 3x square minus 4x plus 20 upon 3 equal to 0. This you have to solve, and how we can solve? Same method we will use here, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 20 upon 3. So you can use here x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here minus b means you can put here 4 minus 4 plus minus root b square means minus 4 square minus 4a is 3 and c is 20 upon 3. All you understand this? Whole upon 2a. 2a is here 3. So this minus minus you get here plus 4 and root this is 4 square is 16 minus, look at this 3 3 you can cancel, 4 to the 8, 80 you have, whole upon 2 a is here 3 means 6 we get, this is 6 and you will get here plus minus you get here 64 minus 64, okay, upon 6 minus 64 minus you can take outside, 4 plus minus you can write here this is iota and root 64 is 8, so you can write here 4 plus minus iota 8 upon 6. So look here, one time you write plus means you can write here 4 plus iota 8 upon 6. You can separate this, you get 4 upon 6 plus iota 8 upon 6. This you can write 2 upon 3 plus iota 4 upon 3. This is one answer. Second answer, x equal to 4 minus iota 8 upon 6. You will separate 4 upon 6 minus iota 8 upon 6. So x equal, you can write 2 upon 3 minus iota 4 upon 3. This is the answers we get here. Thank you and have a nice day.